Hello, my name is Malik Daly. I'm a senior software installer and I'll be going over how to install a check scanner. Starting off, all you'll have to do is find your driver. Generally it will be on your bank's website and go to the associated download page, and once you install the driver, you will just double click on your driver. You're going to see a page. All you'll have to do is click on Next, Install, and it'll go through the process. This process can be different depending on what kind of driver you're installing, but the process will always stay the same. It's always going to be installing one particular driver. Once it's installed, you will go to the bank's website and you will test. For this test, we're just going to be using an offline demo. This would be called Scanlight, proprietary digital check software. And just for an example, you'll be able to see that the LED light is now green. That means that it's initialized. Once you put a check in the feeder, it would change into an amber color. Once it's amber, you know that you're ready to scan. And you're done. So now we'll be going over how to uninstall your check scanner. To do so, the easiest way to do it would be go to your control panel. To do so, you can click on the Windows icon on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Then you'll just type in Control Panel. You can just type in a few of the words and it should automatically populate. You should see Control Panel App. You'll click on it or Open. You'll come to Programs or Uninstall a Program. Next, you'll have to find your corresponding driver. Since we're using a digital check scanner, we will scroll down until we see Teller Scan, and we see that the publisher is by Digital Check, so we know it's legit. And lastly, we'll click Uninstall. Then you'll just click Continue. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to remove it? You'll say yes, and there you go.